In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove lovable AI watermark icon on your project. By the end, your app will look clean and professional without the default branding getting in the way of your design. We'll keep it simple and precise, and I'll share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect as you go. First, open Lovable in your browser and sign in to your workspace. From the dashboard, select the application or project you want to work with. If you manage multiple projects, double-check you're opening the correct one by looking at the project name and environment you plan to update. You'll need the right permissions to make branding changes. So if you don't see editing options, ask your project owner to grant you access or switch to a role that can edit project settings. Once you're inside the project, you're ready for the next part. Next, look for the settings control at the upper left corner of the interface. Depending on your screen size or recent UI updates, it might appear as a gear icon or a labeled settings button. Click it to open the configuration panel. If you see multiple sections, make sure you're viewing the project level settings rather than account or workspace settings. A quick way to confirm is to check that the page references your current project and not your global account preferences. Now, find the option that removes the lovable watermark, sometimes labeled as remove watermark or hide lovable branding, and turn it on. It's typically a toggle or switch. When you enable it, Lovable removes the watermark icon from your project's UI. Many accounts save this automatically, but if you see a save or apply button, click it to confirm your change. In preview or development environments, the change often appears immediately. In production, you might need to refresh your app or wait for a redeploy cycle, depending on how your project is set up. If you don't notice the change, clear your browser cache or open a private window to rule out cached assets. And if the toggle isn't available, you may need higher permissions or a plan that includes branding removal. That's it. Congratulations. Your project should now display without the lovable watermark, giving your interface a more polished look. If you manage multiple environments, repeat this process in each one to keep everything consistent. Thanks for watching, and keep building with confidence.